In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsend a message on Slack. This can be especially helpful if you've sent something accidentally or changed your mind right after hitting send. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your internet browser and go to the Slack website. Once you're there, you'll notice a Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the login page where you might see several options for signing in, but we're going to focus on the Google account method. So, find and click on the Google option. You'll then be prompted to sign in using your Google account. It's a straightforward process. Just type in your credentials as you would normally. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed into your Slack workspace. Next, navigate over to your Direct Messages tab. This is where you'll actually be sending the message that we might need to recall. Once you're in the Direct Messages section, go ahead and type out the message that you intend to send. It's important at this point to ensure your message is exactly as you want it before sending. But for the purpose of this tutorial, go ahead and hit send anyway. Now, here's an important note. If you're on a desktop version of Slack, you actually have a 15-second window immediately after sending a message to cancel it. This brief period allows you to rethink what you've sent and possibly undo it. However, this feature does require you to be quick and decisive. If you're outside of that undo window or didn't manage to hit cancel in time, there's another way to unsend, or rather, delete your message. All you need to do is locate the message you just sent. Once you've found it, right-click on the message. A few options will pop up, and what you want to look for is the Delete Message option. After clicking Delete Message, you should be prompted with a confirmation to make sure this is what you want to do. Confirm that you want to delete the message and it will be removed from the conversation, effectively unsending it from the recipient's view. Remember, this will only work if your Slack settings allow message deletion and if you have the necessary permissions in your workspace. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to unsend a message on Slack. Whether it's using that initial 15-second window or deleting the message entirely, Slack gives you a couple of options to maintain control over what you send. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.